Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's perfect for photographers and videographers on the go. We found the Benro Slim Tripod Kit with a carbon fiber ball head, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Benro Slim Tripod Kit is designed to be a compact and versatile solution for those who need a reliable support system for their camera gear. Weighing in at just a little over 3 pounds, this tripod is made primarily from carbon fiber, which not only makes it lightweight but also incredibly sturdy. It features a maximum load capacity of 8.8 pounds, making it an excellent choice for mirrorless cameras or compact DSLRs, especially when using additional accessories like external microphones or lights. One of the standout features of the Benro Slim Tripod is its compact travel size. When folded down, it measures just 20.1 inches long and only 3.2 inches wide, making it exceptionally portable. This design is perfect for those who are often on the move, whether you're hiking to a scenic overlook or traveling to a new city. It easily fits into most carry-on backpacks or camera bags, allowing you to take it with you wherever your photography adventures lead. In terms of height, the Benro Slim Tripod extends to a maximum height of 57.6 inches, which is quite accommodating for most shooting scenarios. Whether you're capturing landscapes or setting up for a video shoot, having that extended height can be very beneficial. Additionally, it can be set to a minimum height of 15.7 inches, which is ideal for low-angle shooting or capturing unique perspectives. This versatility and height adjustment opens up a world of creative possibilities for your photography. The construction quality is another notable aspect of the Benro Slim Tripod. With carbon fiber legs and a magnesium alloy shoulder, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while remaining lightweight. The tripod features twist-lock leg sections that make it easy to adjust the height quickly and securely. It also includes 3 leg angle positions, giving you the flexibility to set up your shot even on uneven terrain. Plus, the reversible center column adds even more versatility, allowing you to shoot from different angles with ease. Included with the tripod is a removable N00 ball head, which utilizes an Arca-style quick-release plate. This feature allows for rapid attachment and detachment of your camera, making it a breeze to switch between shooting modes without missing a moment. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or setting up for a long exposure shot, this ball head provides smooth adjustments and reliable support. So, who is the Benro Slim Tripod Kit suitable for? It's an excellent choice for amateur and professional photographers alike, especially those who travel frequently or engage in outdoor photography. If you're into landscape photography, wildlife photography, or even vlogging, this tripod offers the stability and flexibility you need to capture quality images and videos. In practical use cases, imagine setting up this tripod at a beautiful sunrise location, extending it to capture the vast landscape before you. Or, if you're vlogging, you can easily adjust the height and angle to get the perfect shot without needing a bulky setup. The compact design also means you won't feel weighed down while exploring new locations. In conclusion, the Benro Slim Tripod Kit with a carbon fiber ball head is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about photography. Its combination of lightweight construction, impressive load capacity, and versatile height adjustments make it a reliable companion for all your shooting needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.